Short instruction. Repair of a slot. Clean the area to be repaired with the Keralux Strong Cleaner or Keralux Cleaner Active Plus from grain to grain to remove dirt and to maintain the original gloss level and colour. Pre-test on a hidden area. Prepare a negative of the grain as follows. Apply some profile agent with the application pistol to an undamaged part of the leather, showing a similar grain as the area of the scratch. Smoothen with a spatula and let it dry. Take off the negative carefully. To remove any remaining profile agent of the leather, use the Keralux Strong Cleaner or Keralux Cleaner Active Plus. Clean the damaged area with a soft remover or strong remover from grain to grain until the colour is visible on the cloth and becomes sticky. Let it dry thoroughly. Mix the filler S with a very small quantity of Repair Colour C. Fill the slot with the filler S in thin layers. Remove the filler S around the damaged area with a spatula and let it dry well. Let every thin layer dry for approximately 5 to 7 minutes or accelerate this procedure with a heat gun. Do not use a high temperature, risk of bubble formation. Repeat this step until the slot is filled completely. Remove remaining filler S around the damaged area with a soft remover and a cloth and let it dry. Spray the repair colour thinly once and dry it with a heat gun. Grind optionally with fine grit sandpaper 600, 1000 or 1200 grit. Remove the abrasive dust. If necessary, work with the filler S again. Spray the repair colour up to an 80% colour coat. Spray thinly, dry with a heat gun, spray, etc. Use the negative to imitate the grain. Put the negative on a cloth, heat it up with a heat gun at a high temperature and press it approximately 15 to 20 seconds on the repaired area. Let it cool down and remove it carefully. Spray the repair colour thinly up to a complete colour coverage. Dry it with a heat gun. Spray thinly, etc. Spray the repair colour once from grain to grain and dry it with a heat gun. Spray the top finish spray thinly and evenly on the reparation and dry it directly with the heat gun. Repeat the process, as the top finish has to be applied 2 times for better abrasion.